Thank you to Epidemic Sounds for sponsoring today's video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Mandy if you're new here, and today I'm going to be revealing some of the secrets that helped me make six figures by the age of 26. I'm going to share my secrets backed by studies, evidence and quotes from some of the most successful people in the world. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos in the future. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about goal setting. Did you know that people that vividly describe their goals are 1.2 to 1.4 times more likely to accomplish those goals compared to those that don't? A study conducted by Dr. Gail Matthews at Dominican University discovered exactly that. For me personally, I have a specific journal where I set SMART goals. So what are SMART goals if you haven't already heard of them? Setting SMART goals is setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. This framework has kept me incredibly focused and motivated when achieving anything. For instance, instead of saying I want to make more money, I said I want to earn $100,000 by the end of the year through my business and investments. This clarity was crucial. Here's a product which will help you keep incredibly organised, which is a daily planner. In this planner, dedicate to setting daily goals based on the SMART technique, and in the description on the link you'll see exactly how to use this. Having planners like this has been an absolute game changer for me, and you can get the planner in any of the colours listed. Enjoy! Using this planner, you can track your progress and make as many adjustments as you need. And anyone that's really serious about achieving their goals, use this as a tool to guide you along your journey. Next is continuous learning. Warren Buffett once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." I dedicated at least 30 minutes a day to self-improvement, learning and expanding my knowledge in all aspects. Listening to podcasts, investing in online courses, reading books, all of these methods that keep the brain incredibly engaged with expansion always mean that you will earn more because you're naturally keeping the brain active, the brain learning and improving every single day with what you can implement. There are so many platforms like Coursera and Udemy where you can really learn anything at a small price point and expand your skill set in anything that you want. A must-read book that I highly recommend time and time again is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Within this book, it massively changed my perspective to money and investing, so make sure you grab yourself a copy and check that out. I'll attach the link below. Investing in your education really is one of the best investments that you could ever make. Not only does it increase your knowledge, but it also massively keeps you ahead of the curve. Over the last few years, we've seen an uprise of online courses. These types of courses massively fast track your progression in anything that you want to learn, saving you time, money, and learning from others that have walked the same path. The third habit is networking. Jim Rohn famously said, "You are the average of the 5 people that you spend most time with." I made it a point to surround myself with ambitious, successful and like-minded individuals. I attended industry events, and leveraging social media platforms like LinkedIn are really key strategies. Attending conferences within your field, connecting with other experts, just being exactly where the other people are that you want to be is essential, and making the time investment, the monetary investment is so crucial, and developing at an exponential rate. For example, attending any of these events can lead to you meeting a business mentor, somebody that can support you, and that's going to be absolutely crucial for you to achieve success a lot quicker. If you're looking for a good read on the power of networking, I really recommend a book called Never Eat Alone by Keith Ferrazzi. It's full of practical advice on building relationships, and the link's in the description below. Networking isn't just about exchanging business cards, it's about building deep connections with other individuals that you know can support you along your journey. When you can build relationships with other professionals, you know that those professionals can provide you support, future opportunities, and their knowledge and their guidance and wisdom with any challenge that you may encounter. Habit number 4, time management. Everybody struggles with time management. It's one of the currencies where, next to money, all of us want more time. A study by the University of California, Irvine, found that on average it takes 23 minutes and 15 seconds to get back on track after a distraction. I use tools like the Pomodoro technique and time blocking to maximise productivity and minimise interruptions. I allocate specific blocks of time for different tasks using the Pomodoro technique. So for example, I'd work for 25 minutes straight, take a 5-minute break, and with this approach it means that you're not going to burn out and you'll feel a lot more productive with the tasks that you're trying to complete. One tool that can really help with this is the time management app. I'll attach a link in the description. It's available on Amazon and it helps you keep track of all of your tasks by staying super focused. Effective time management really means that you're dedicated and committed to completing the tasks that you set yourself, and you're focusing on what's really important as opposed to getting sidetracked by less critical tasks. If you're looking for more ways to stay incredibly productive, I'll attach a link here to my video titled 8 Ways to Be Productive Without Burning Out. Number 5, health and fitness. The famous quote, "Health is wealth," is so crucial. The more that we can look after our health, as well as achieving incredible success, it means that we actually get to enjoy our wealth rather than burning ourselves out to the point where we can't enjoy the fruits of our labour. I made it a habit to exercise daily, eat as healthy as possible, keep my energy levels high, and keep my mind sharp. Trust me, it makes a difference. 2 of my favourite products for health I'll attach in the description are Free Soul Protein and Real Smoothies, which make a huge difference to how I feel every single day. I'm currently in the process of partnering with one of my favourite brands, which is a natural Ayurvedic brand I've been using for years. This brand provides an array of nutrients and vitamins which are natural and holistic, and I'll attach a link to the Fushi products below. In my next video, I'll discuss a lot more about the product range. Also, practicing mindfulness and meditation is essential to improve stress. Apps like meditation apps will really help me to stay consistent with my meditation practice. Prioritising health is absolutely crucial, so alongside your career, ensuring that you're prioritising your mental, physical and emotional health is absolutely essential. If you don't do this, your career will suffer, and yes, it's challenging to always maintain all aspects at the same time, but the more effort and attention you put into doing this, the more that you'll see and reap the rewards. Alright, those are the 5 habits that helped me achieve 6 figures by the age of 26. Remember, success is a journey, and these habits will help you stay on path. Don't forget to check out the links to the recommended products in the description below. They've been absolutely instrumental in my journey. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe, and share this video with anyone else that you think might benefit. Let me know in the comments which habits you'll start to implement today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.